Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Manam Tiwari and I'll be teaching you algorithm. This is the newest playlist. What are the contents of this algorithm? Let us understand. जिससे आपको चीज़ें में clarity मिलेंगी कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. Algorithms. What we will be doing is हम will pick an algorithm. हम एक algorithm select करेंगे. Pick an algorithm. उसके बाद we will do we'll understand the working of it. Okay, then we'll be explaining और very precisely हम trace करने वाले हैं. Tracing of algorithm. उसके बाद we will do the complexity analysis. Complexity analysis. So it will be both space and time. Okay. फिर उसके बाद we'll be also doing the code. The code will be specifically written in C++. So anyone who is familiar with C, a bit of Java can also see that. The code, I'll try to make the lucid code for it, or I'll explain the code as well. I'll explain the code as well. And we will be solving problems, or we'll see the examples and application. Problems and explanation using algorithms, thus using the selected algorithm. So this will be our motives. मतलब ये हमारा motive रहेगा for this particular playlist. We will pick in an algorithm. We'll start understand the working of it. We will try to trace the algorithm. फिर उसके बाद we will do the complexity analysis, space and time. Where we will try to code it as well using C++. So someone who is not in C++, then I'll try to explain the code as well so that you don't end up somewhere else. You get the right knack of it, and then problems and explanation using. Okay, we'll see the application part of it. That how do you apply these algorithms, where they are applied. So our goal is clear. We are we need to understand every algorithm possible, every possible algorithm. Stay tuned with our channel. We'll be uploading videos very soon. We will try to cover every possible algorithm. We will go in an ordered fashion. We'll go in ordered fashion. We'll also explain the concept behind it. And we'll try to make the videos very short so that you understand everything in the shortest time, as well as you trace the algorithm. This is something where you can go at the last moment and you can quickly learn things and you can use it. So this playlist is for that. So we'll be coming very soon with a set of videos. Do share this playlist with all your friends who want to learn algorithms. Okay, bye.